Did you know Sri Rama is worshipped in a temple not as a warrior, not as a yogi, and not even as a king, but as the one who slept on sacred grass? At Tripalani, Sri Rama is revered as the Darbashaina Perumal, the lord who reclined on the Darba grass, also known as the Durva grass or the Kusa grass or the Bermuda grass, while waiting for Samudra Raja, the ocean deity, to grant him safe passage to Lanka. But why the Darba grass? There is a fascinating legend behind it. So while in Chitrakoot with Sita and Lakshmana, an Asura named Kuranga tried to violate Sita Devi, Sri Rama is said to have picked up a single blade of the Darba grass, transformed it into an astra, and destroyed the demon. In gratitude for the grass that became his weapon, Rama later chose to rest upon a mat of Darba while awaiting the sea god's response before marching to Lanka. The sacred moment is believed to have been taken here at Tripalani, also known as Darbashainam or Pullaranya Kshetram in the Ramnathpuram district of Tamil Nadu. At the ancient Adi Jagannath Perumal temple in Tripalani, Sri Rama is believed to have worshipped Adi Jagannath Perumal and received the divine bow before the battle against Ravana. Along the presiding deity stands Padmasini Tayar, the divine consort. The name Tripalani is derived from Tiru, which is sacred, Pul, that is grass, and Ani, which is a resting place or the bed or a pillow. It literally recalls Rama resting with grass as his pillow, that is Talai Aanai in Tamil. The place is also known as Adi Setu or the original bridge that was constructed to Lanka that later connected to Dhanushkodi. Built in classical Chola architecture, this temple is one of the 108 Divya Desams, praised in the Nalayaram Divya Prabandham by the Alvar saints, and more on that later. Its origins trace back to the 8th century with later contributions from the Cholas, Pandyas, Nayaks, and the Setupatis. The temple has sannidhis for the Darbashaina Perumal and the Pattabhirama and Kalyanavalli. There is also a Kalyana Krishna shrine and a beautiful temple tank. Another powerful legend linked to Adi Jagannatha Perumal temple speaks of King Dasharatha, father of Sri Rama. It is believed that he performed the sacred penance and the yajnas here to receive the divine payasam, or this blessed sweet pudding, or the kheer that would change the destiny. That sacred offering was then shared equally amongst his three queens, leading to the birth of Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, and Shatrughna. Well, nearly equally. Even today, this legend continues to shape temple tradition. Childless couples visit this sacred shrine to perform Naga Pratishtha, the ritual installation of a serpent deity, and offer sweet pudding with prayers for offspring. There is a deep belief that Adi Jagannatha blesses such devotees with a child bearing the virtues of Rama. And that is it about Tripalani. As usual, please like, share, and subscribe to Temples and Lores. Happy Ram